Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to see the progress of your domain tasks. Log into our panel, click on the Domains menu item on the sidebar, and navigate into your domain group. Click on the Add Domains tab. And let's quickly add a domain. Click Next, and under Software, select WordPress because we want to install WordPress to our domain as well. Next, let's click on the Next button, review your changes, and click on the Add Domain button. Now let's click on the Tasks tab, and you will see a page with all domain tasks. We can see our newly created domain task there. It's in the pending state, meaning that this task is scheduled, and our system will start working on it very soon. Click on the little plus icon on the left to see more details. Let's refresh the page in order to see the task being completed live. We can see that our domain has already been added and the software installation is currently in progress. Let's refresh once more, and now we can see that our software has now been installed as well. And that's it. Our task has now been completed. On the Tasks page, you can also see all historical tasks that have happened in that domain group. Very convenient, right? We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.